Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own glass palette. I'm your host, DJ Freezy J, John Milan, and I have Freezy tips for you and your friends. You have to have protective glasses when you do this, and you must use gloves, but I'm gonna go without glasses or without gloves. We have a white piece of wood, preferably it's all clean. Use some fancy Windex that you like to use here. Splash, splash, wipe, 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 just swipe it. Okay, look at that, fingerprints. Okay, right here is some Gorilla duct tape. It sticks to you. It really sticks, watch out. You gotta get a grip on it. Okay, it's the wrong way to do it with scissors. You have to use your hands like a man, like that. Don't get tangled up in it. You gotta get it first try. Okay, then you just go zip, it undoes itself. Okay, measure out your spot on the wood so that it looks good, and you want to go off the edges a little bit, like so. You fold under, and you fold under again, just like in high school when you made duct tape all over your folders and your books. You're going to go around and you're going to put the special duct tape, which is very easy to work with. Okay, I'm going to attach this tape right here. I'm going to go over the glass a little and over the wood a little. I'm going to smooth it out, no air bubbles. What you're going to need to do is shape the wood to be a little larger than your glass. In this case, I went to Home Depot and had wood cut instead of using my fancy saws. Good tape, it's very strong. This is probably the strongest tape I've ever seen or used. Smooth it over like this. So, you can redo the tape at other times and just try to protect that glass. You might be wondering, why are we putting glass and wood together? That is to make a white surface so that all the colors can go down onto the glass and you can clean your glass occasionally. It's very useful. Here goes the next piece. So as you get into this, you can use different colors of tape. You don't have to use a Gorilla tape. You can use regular duct tape or any tape that you like that's strong. I would suggest that you use gray, black, silver, or white for a dull color, because it may distract you in your painting process. You may say, what a fancy palette I have, I'm using it, I don't want to get paint on it. But you actually will splash about and make a big mess. And then by cleaning it up, you will use a razor scraper tool. Do we have one of those? My assistant has passed to me a special razor tool where you can take a blade out and put a new one, and you scrape like so. It's quite satisfying. So now you have your palette. You get your parts at your local Home Depot store or your hardware store. I would choose a white wood or a light gray to put under the glass. The glass you will find in small pieces in different stores, in frame shops or in Home Depot or other shops. As you put them together, you want the wood to be a little larger so that it will protect that glass. In this case, I have a little glass, so I put extra tape like this. And that is how you do it. Today, you've got your Freezy tips, and now you're ready to go. I look forward to hearing from you in the comment section, in our YouTube channels, and Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you next time.